don't need an intro. This is fixing a Phantom 3's camera if it's inverted, like mine was after I crashed it, which would look like that. Words are upside down, so is the logo. SD cards on the bottom, that's how you tell. So, you have to go to the back. So just take that piece off, and this board can come off. Don't force it off though. This one is hard to get off sometimes. And if you get that one off, well, this one isn't. Well, simply, you just have to take it all off. Don't force it out though. Then these 3 screws here behind this board. Sorry if you can't see them. Unscrew them, not fully, a little bit. That'll make whatever is blocking your camera from tilting the right way from blocking it. So once it's unscrewed, it will be. And once they loosen it, don't take them out. Just loosen it. Then flip your camera. And now, that's it up. Now it's right set up. Alright. Now you just put all the pieces back. This board can be kind of tricky if you don't get why it doesn't work. So I grab tweezers to twist this little inside piece, push on it lightly, twist this until it pops in. And it's in. Or is it not? Wait, am I being dumb? No, it's in. Yeah, once it's fully flat right here and no gap, you know it's in. And now it's fixed.